But actually, look, it's so tightly grown timber that the water has only gone in about 1mm into the surface. So although it looks wet, that's why it dries out so quickly. Right, well, I think we can put a plate on at once.
Right, we'll do some of the stuff first.
Is that wide enough? What, you mean the woodwork?
No, I just meant the axe and stuff. I wasn't sure.
They're 81 centimetres, so it only goes to there, so that's perfect. The big question is how many holes are in them already? Oh no, they're not made to be put down upside down. On the barn, all of the plates have this outer edge facing downwards, but I wanted to lay them with this facing up and the paint facing down because I don't like the paint. I think it looks really tatty and horrible. I'd rather have the paint on the inside. Maybe that's silly. The paint really does look hideous, doesn't it?
It does. It will fall off after a while, I suppose.
Yeah, it'll take 10 years though. 10 years of ugly building. I'm just going to put them the wrong way up. So I will do this up to here and we'll cut them off at the top. We've got one screw at the moment. Okay, that can go right up so you can feel the edge, but it's level with the woodwork. I wonder whether that wood, I think that woodwork is going to rot faster like that. Let's go further out than the wood. There we go. Because that last drip there would drip down onto the woodwork.
Yeah, now we're probably about half a centimetre out.
Half a centimetre further out?
Yeah.
It shouldn't be further out.
Oh,
No, I meant here. It should be flush with the woodwork. Do you think we need to set up a line as well? I reckon where we find holes, we can just put a block of wood underneath and use the same screw and screw it into the block of wood.
Yeah.
To do the. Do you want a pair of gloves, Aske?
Yes, please. Good. Thanks.
Do you think it's one further over? You can see why it's supposed to be the other way up.
You might get, if there's wind, you might get it over there, down into it, yeah.
Yeah, they are supposed to be the other way up. I think we have to have them the other way up, really, because of the nature of the way that they fit together.
It'll overlap one more.
Yeah, but it would still have that edge sticking up.
Yeah.
Whereas the other way, you don't have an edge sticking up. Now we'll do them the right. We'll flip them over because they'll all have that edge sticking up if we do it like that. That will look rubbish. So
Just put this down.
yeah, put it behind the ladder maybe. can get this paint off somehow.
Might rust quick also. Paint.
Rust quicker? Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Yeah, no, I think it probably lasts a bit longer with the paint on.
Yeah, but this paint's, you know, and it's flaking.
It traps water behind it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if that's the right. I think it is.
Probably like 2 millimeters out.
I'll bring it in then, slightly. At the top is where you should do it.
Wow, it's paint.
Hmm?
Or why is it
Plate is uniform.
no, it's not. It's not
Oh, right.
It's got slightly long.
Alright, well, I've forgotten my gloves. Yeah, that's got to be better. See, I wondered whether we shouldn't put a line up,
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
but then in a way, you're kind of restricted to
The end anyway.
the edge.
Yeah, but this might not be at the completely the right angle at the top. Just line up.
Well, I don't know. The building was made symmetrically, so well, that actually is what's good. Is it's actually very easy to move. So has to be the right distance from that one.
There's a ladder. Maybe I should put a wire up the line. Because it's double time, isn't it, every time? Machine. Oh no!
Do you need another battery?
No, it's alright. Need another one for that one.
I think for the charge. That is very good there. Oh no, my bits has gone. Oh, there it is. I might actually take it out of the bits holder and put it straight into the chuck. I think the last piece actually could just, actually it's almost perfect size. The last one, they're 82 are they? Wide? So the last one reaches there. So we just put it in double. And that would be perfect. How many have we got left? Oh dear.
I took out 2.
Alright. Mind you, I wasn't actually going to have plates on both sides. I was going to have glass on one side and plates on the other. So
Yeah.
maybe it's good having the glass on the north side so it doesn't get overheated, but it lets in the north light, which is good.
Yeah.
Do you want me to move that in under there? Because that's not very good. Going. Huh?
In the yeah, no, it doesn't matter. In the summer, you won't get to. Yeah, I suppose maybe.
Yeah, it gets overheated, doesn't it?
Yeah. But then you don't get any extra heat in the winter either.
No, but we don't get any heat here in the winter. We don't get any sun here until the Wally Evan day. Really?
Yeah. Then you would get a bit of heat in the spring.
Yeah, but hardly anything. I think the north light is the way to go, really, because it's a nice stable light. It's good for working.
Yeah.
This is really good because it's so tightly grown I can't see which end is which. Right, that's out. And that's up. Well, fantastic. I can move the camera indoors now because it's raining slightly. Down in the valley, they're building a road, so I'm going to be 200 metres from the road, 300 metres from the road in the future. So this Sunday, it's raining but at last I'm under a roof, so I can enjoy my cigar without getting wet. And look at the joinery. Still getting wet on that side. I'll cover that up next weekend probably. clean up a bit. Looking there, clean up the boards. It's going to be fantastic that they're drying out now.